Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. In today's video, we're opening up the Rose War Panty Power subscription box. This is a period subscription that is monthly. This is the box it comes in, always super cute. So this box costs $25.20 per month, and there is a shipping charge as well. I do have a code that saves you about $5.40 off your first box, so it's around $20 for your first time. And in this box you get 15 period products. They're all organic. You can get tampons, pads, or a mixture of both. You let them know when you subscribe, and then you also get 2 pairs of brand new undies, like 3 to 5 lifestyle items, and a few samples as well. I think it's totally worth it. I think it makes that time of the month a lot more enjoyable, and who doesn't love like getting new panties and lifestyle products too? It's like so much fun than just getting like plain old tampons, right? But anyways, let's get this open and see what's inside. So right on top there is a card that tells you about the box, and then here's what it looks like. So it's packaged all nicely. So it says, "Welcome to December, box full of joy." It says, what's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 with a total value of $7, 2 undies ranging from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. So they like check off what's inside your box. They base it off a profile when you sign up, so they try and customize it the best they can to fit your preferences. And it says if you post your box on Instagram and hashtag them, you could win $10 credit towards your next box. So nice, let's get started. First thing I see, it says Apple Biotic Skincare Apple Cider Vinegar Probiotic Brightening Eye Cream. This has caffeine, botanicals, and organic aloe vera in it. This is pretty big for an eye cream. So wow, this is $22. So this is pretty much the price of the box. I've never heard of Apple Biotic Skincare before. Have you guys? Just glancing at the ingredients, it does seem like it is a good product. I've never thought to use like apple cider like in my skincare. I like hear about it for like internal health benefits as well as like hair, like it's a lot of hair products. So I'm curious about this. I'm definitely gonna look into it more and try it out. Ooh, what's this? This is Cougar by Paula Dunn Intense Aftercare Keratin Hair Mask. Intense formulation for dry damaged hair, silky frizz-free results. This is free of salt, sulfates, and silicones. And this is pretty big. You get 200 mLs or 6.76 fluid ounces. And what does it say in the back? It just says like how you use all hair masks: apply to wet hair and massage into a lather and rinse thoroughly. So it doesn't tell you that you have to keep it in for like 10 minutes like some masks do. That's nice. And it also lets you know that there are no animal testing, or there is no animal testing involved. Let's see what it smells like. This is what it looks like. It's just white. Oh, it smells good. I wish I could describe it better, but it just like smells like fresh, which is, I would like my hair to smell like that. So this Cougar Beauty, wait. On here it says Cougar Beauty Snow White Teeth Whitening Gel, or maybe there's something else in here, but this is the Cougar hair mask. So I don't see the price of it on here. So I don't know the exact price of this, but I am happy to have it. I actually use hair masks pretty much every time I wash my hair. I wash my hair less frequently than I used to. So now when I do, I like to really condition it after shampooing. But let's see what's in here next. It looks like we have some treats. Are these like suckers? Peppa Pig. I've heard of Peppa Pig before. Is that like a TV show, or is it just like a famous character? I don't really know much about it, but these are 2 Peppa Pig little suckers. And then, oh, we've gotten something from this company before, but a different flavor. This is some wafer chocolates. Last time they were strawberry, and I had them with my coffee, and they were really good. So who doesn't like treats, like anytime, but like especially that time of the month, I crave like chocolate especially. Oh, here's the whitening thing. So I don't, maybe this was just an extra bonus. But it says Cougar Snow White Teeth Whitening Gel, Brighter, Whiter Smile. It says directions for first application: apply to teeth every 15 minutes to 1 hour, then use daily or more frequently as required. That seems like a lot to put on every 15 minutes. Oh, just for an hour, so 4 times in the first day. Have you guys ever used something like this before? I never have. I try and use Crest White Stripes, but sometimes my teeth get a little, like, they're sensitive, so I wonder if mine would be sensitive to this. So this is what it looks like. And so this is $20. Yeah, if you guys have tried this, please let me know. Like, does this irritate your teeth? Did it really help? And the ingredients, it doesn't really look like, well, I don't really know some of them, I don't know. But there is some peppermint in there probably, so it like freshens your breath as well, but interesting. And now we have our tampons and pads, so they send me a mixture of both. I love that they're organic because I pretty much only use organic period products unless there's no other available option, so these come in handy every single month. And then of course, like every month, we get our Year of a Genius wipes. I love the name of this company. So these are just down there wipes, like it literally says on there. So these are always good to have, just to freshen up a little bit. So we have 2 of those. And then last but not least, we have our undies that are in this bag. Let's get those out. Oh, you know, on here it says surprise gift is checked off and it says $10. So this is the surprise gift. I'm sorry I missed that before and now I'm just saying this, but it says this is $10. That's not too bad for a hair mask, but back to the undies. Oh, I like them. So we have 1 thong and 1 regular undie, and the thong is so cute. It's red with hearts on it. And it seems like really comfortable. I like them, and they're like this on the side. I don't know how to describe it better, but they're not like strings. Like, and that is the back. Let's see if it has any more information, like what it's made out of or anything. And you do tell them your size when you sign up. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. So this is made from polyester and spandex. Cool, I like these. I like the next pair too. So these are regular panties. It's like blue, yeah, it's like a blue color and black. Oh, they seem so comfy. These are like awesome, like so comfy, and it feels really soft too. And there's a tag in here that says it's by Umida Underwear, if I'm saying that correctly. And this is made from nylon and spandex, and I can't wait to use these. I really like these. So we have 2 great pair of panties, the period products, eye cream, hair mask, the teeth whitener, which I'm still like, I don't know if I'm like a little nervous to use this just because I have teeth sensitivity, but even if I take that out of the equation, like everything that I got other than this is still worth the value of the box, like $25. And of course our extra snacks. So I always love getting this box every month. I always enjoy it. It makes, like I said, like it can make that time of the month always better. Like period subscriptions were such a great invention. We deserve it. That is a rough time. So again, I'm gonna link everything down below along with that promo code, any giveaways I have going on, my social media, all that good stuff, what's on my face. So check it out below. But anyways, in the meantime, until I see you next, have a wonderful day and I will see you later. Bye.